The club was first formed in 1935. I think in total we've got somewhere in the region of 350 to 400 members throughout the club. I like to think that this club is a big family club and we look after everybody from those little kids all the way through to the vets. That's how the family of Mold Rugby Club comes together.
I think in general people get drawn to this club because it's successful. I think it's important that we are able to self-fund ourselves. That's very, very vital to the success of the club. And for years we had that completely out of control.
A good few years ago now, we looked at expected income from membership and the actual received, and it was about 57%. What I would suggest is, the first thing to do would be to look at direct debit for your membership. We contacted a company who actually will run a direct debit system for you. That makes life so much easier. We increased our income from 57 to 75%, which was great, but our income now a month is £4,000. We know that is our income. It's the same as all our expenditure, if we can. It's all paid by direct debit.
Getting someone that's going to fill that spreadsheet out and ensure that the forms get filled in and the proper membership fees are applied is vital. That's what you run the club on.
All the staff are employed and they're paid. Then you've got an agreement that this is how it will be, and they're paid to make money for us. So it just makes life so much easier for everybody, really. There's a lot of money out there that you can apply for, but there's a huge, big queue for that money. If you can show that you've got a history of managing and running a club and utilising money properly, then that ticks a huge box.
My tip to other clubs would be really that you've just got to get your own house in order, make sure that everything is running smoothly. We're quite willing to tell them what we've done and how we've gone about things, because it's the best practice.